Here is our second example. 3b plus 2 equals 7 minus 2b. So here we have a problem that we've got two instances of our unknown. In this case, on either side of the equals, but it could be on the same side of the equals and we still have to deal with it. So what we want to do here is try to make it so that we've only got one instance of our unknown. So we need to get rid of the b's from one side or the other. Now, in this case, I've got a minus 2b. Always remember that the sign before a term is part of that term. One of the teachers I respect always said, the terms like the mother and the minus sign in front or the plus sign in front is the baby, and you wouldn't ever want to separate the mother from the baby. So we've got a minus 2b. So in order to get rid of this, I'd either have to minus 3b off both sides to get rid of this one, or add 2b to get rid of this one. And adding 2b seems easier to me. So our first step is combine and in this case, we either need to minus or plus. And I'm just going to emphasize the fact that we're doing it from both sides. Oops, sides. So here, as I said before, I want to add 2b to counteract that minus 2b. So I end up with, on this side, 2b plus 3b. So that's like having 3 bananas plus 2 bananas. I've now got 5 bananas. Not a perfect analogy. I still got plus 2. I've still got the 7, but here I've cancelled them out. So now I can go on to my list that I had before. List the operations happening to my unknown. Well, this one's kind of similar to last time. Again, there's a times there, so that's a times by 5, and then a plus 2. I always wanted to make sure I do that in BODMAS order. So the multipliers happen before the pluses. So my next step says reverse those operations. Well, the reverse of timesing by 5 is dividing by 5. The reverse of plus 2 is minus 2. The next step says apply those in reverse order. So going back, I want to start by minusing 2. Here, the whole point of that is to get rid of that plus 2. So I get the 5b remaining, and 7 minus 2 is 5. At this point, we may be able to guess the answer, but we're going to go through with the other operation as well. So divide by 5, I get 5 divided by 5, so I just end up with a b there. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So here, strictly speaking, it's 5 divided by 5 would be 1b, but we can just write b. So b equals 1. Last check, 1 is check. So on the left-hand side here, I've got 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So that side's 5. On this side, 7 minus 2 lots of 1. Well, 2 lots of 1 is 2, so 7 minus 2 is also 5, so it works. I'm going to pause again, and I'm going to do one more example.